Okay, so I don't have this all the way installed, but I did get both headlights out. When I mean this, I'm sorry, I'm talking about the little wiring harness. It's not really even a harness. It's like one power lead that goes for the DRLs. It taps into the fuse right here. Honestly, it's so much easier to just look at what I've done than to try and go through the manual and all that. So it's that fuse right there. It's a 10 amp fuse. Pull it out, put this fuse tap in there, route the wire under there, put your cover back, route your wiring appropriately, tie it all up after you get the light placed. So it says this in the instruction, but I think it's worth mentioning that the sequential turn signals, which are cool, are either activated or deactivated by one of two things. Okay, this is it. Either if you plug this in, you get no sequential turn signals. If you leave it open, which I recommend, you get the cool sequential turn signals. Okay, they're pretty neat. I have this hooked up just to test, then I'm going to go back and clean up the wires, but yeah. Pretty neat. So, do what you want, but that's how you get that done. Okay, I'll be back.